Hey guys, it's a beautiful spring, or I should say early spring afternoon out here, and temperature is about 55 degrees. Wind is gusting about 10 to 12 miles an hour, so it's a little chilly out here for an early spring day. It's a little chilly out here, and I don't have my jacket on, but I will be putting it on soon. Today we're going to be unwrapping a Patagonia down sweater hoodie. We're also going to be comparing against my other down hooded jacket, which is the Canada Goose Cabri hooded jacket as well. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the Patagonia down sweater hoodie. I'm not sure why they call it a sweater, because it's actually not a sweater to me. A sweater to me is normally made out of knit, and this is definitely not made out of knit. It's made out of nylon and also made out of goose down feathers. So this is the 800 Fill Power down sweater or jacket. Here it's got two hand warmers with zippers and pull tabs. The quilting is about maybe 2 inches, inch and a half horizontally, which is what I like. The color is pretty matte, not too shiny. Definitely don't like shiny, because then you're looking like you're wearing a trash bag, and that's not what I'm going for. I want something real muted and warm, but yet classy looking. And this is the classic style. Only one zipper on the front, and then inside it has the waistband jaw string in here, and tag says men's down sweater hoodie. It is regular fit. I normally like to wear a slim fit, and in slim fit I normally wear a size small, but in this regular fit I decided to go with the extra small because I wanted to fit a lot more snug to my body. I don't plan on layering a whole lot. Most of the time I'll just be wearing it with maybe a t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt, short sleeve t-shirt, or maybe a light sweater. Retail price is $279. I did order it from the Patagonia website. And the hood does have a jaw string in the back here to cinch to make it tighter. And it is packable, and so it's got the zipper here. You can either use this as a storage pocket, or you can use it to pack the jacket inside of the bag here. And it has an elasticated wristband. No elastication down here except for the drawstring here. And here's the back of the jacket. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, try it on, and then what I'm gonna do is go ahead and compare it against my Canada Goose Cabri hooded down jacket. Okay, so now I've got the jacket on. Fit is really good. It is, like I said, an extra small, regular fit. It's raining outside right now, about 55 degrees. Winds about 10 to 15 miles an hour, but it still feels nice and toasty, nice and warm. So nice and toasty, all I got on right now is just a plain black t-shirt. And what I'm wearing here is the Patagonia Mania sweatpants. And they're kind of like a jogger pant, pretty neat. Pockets on the side here, the zipper. And 2 drawstrings. Nice pants from Patagonia. The hood goes up pretty high, actually high enough to cover your mouth. So the quilting's pretty nice. Fabric feels pretty soft to the touch. Color's pretty muted and matted, which is what I want. I don't want anything too shiny, and where I wanted to dress it up with a pair of nice dress pants and nice dress shoes. I might be able to do that with this jacket, but possibly not. This jacket is maybe a little bit too casual for that. Where the Canada Goose can definitely be dressed up a little bit more. With this, you can tell it looks a little bit more casual. Fits very nice. Nice around the torso here, and then very little excess fabric or material underneath the armpits. Okay, so we have a side-by-side comparison between the Patagonia down sweater hoodie and the Canada Goose Cabri down hooded jacket. And you can kind of tell right here, the Canada Goose is going to be a darker black color, a little bit more matted, where the Patagonia is more of a gray, dark black color, a little bit more gray than black. We have uniform quilting all the way across on the Patagonia, and on the Canada Goose we have the horizontal quilting on the bottom, and then you have the vertical quilting on the shoulders. A little bit more touch of detail and makes it that much better. Here are the cuffs and the waistband up close, and then here's the cuffs and waistband on your Patagonia. Zipper on the Patagonia, and then your zipper on your Canada Goose. Subtle differences between the two jackets, but differences that make a huge difference in quality and the way it makes you feel and how good it feels on your body. Elastication on the inner elbow on the Canada Goose. No differences here, and no elastication on the elbow here. Just straight through quilting all the way through. Now I got on the Canada Goose Cabri hooded jacket. This down jacket is actually a small, listed on their site as a slim fit, so it is actually true to fit, and it is very slim. The arms are nice and fitted, nice and slim, and right here on my torso is nice and slim. Underneath the armpits, there's no excessive fabric at all, so perfectly fit. your sizing. I'm 5'9" and weigh 150 pounds, so this fits me perfect. And to compare the two, I actually like the Canada Goose so much more. If I was only to be able to get one, I would definitely save up the money and get the Canada Goose. The reason why I wanted the Patagonia is because I wanted a second jacket, something that I could not have to worry so much about. It does cost almost twice as much. Actually, it does cost twice as much as the Patagonia. So, and as far as the warmth, they both feel about the same. The Canada Goose feels just a little bit warmer. The Canada Goose is a little bit heavier. The quilting on the Canada Goose is horizontal here, and then we have vertical here. Smaller on the vertical, up on top by the shoulders, larger and more wider on the horizontal down here at the bottom. As far as the two differences, the color is a little bit more matted, a little bit more darker black on the Canada Goose, and then on the Patagonia it's more like a gray, dark, black, grayish color. You can definitely see the gray in it, and it's a little bit more shinier, where the Canada Goose nylon is a little more matted. It does have thumb holes on the sleeves, where the Patagonia does not. This to me doesn't really matter. I really don't intend to use this, so it doesn't really matter to me. So most of the time I'm going to have it folded up like this. But I do like that it has the elasticated cuffs down here to hold in that warmth, and then it also has a bomber type style elastication down here at the bottom where your waistband is. No drawstrings, just the elasticated band here at the bottom, and very much bomber style, where the other one is just flat, no elastication, but it does have a drawstring. So what's the verdict? The verdict is Canada Goose. It's much better made jacket in my opinion. The stitching is nicer, the quilting is nicer, much more aesthetically pleasing stitching, and then the vertical and the horizontal quilting makes the jacket look so much more classier. Better made. The elastications on your wrist and the elastication on your waistband. The stitching here, the cuffing here on your pockets are much nicer. Zippers are much nicer, much more robust, and to me it's just made better. Yes, it costs more, it costs double the price more, but to me it's definitely worth it. The outer shell is so much more plush, so much nicer. It even feels more softer to the touch, where the Patagonia feels almost trash bag-like, okay? Not that it's a bad jacket or anything like that, it's just, it doesn't feel as nice, doesn't feel as warm, and it just doesn't feel as good as this jacket. So for me, the Canada Goose is definitely worth the money. Worth spending a little bit more, double the price to get what you want for a better product. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please hit the subscribe and the bell notification for the next one. And thank you, and hit the like button for me, okay? And I'll see you on the next one.